Hello everybody, I want to show you this video you can take a screenshot with the LG G8s ThinQ. Okay, there are some ways for. The first way would work with the buttons, so you will need the power button for and the volume down button. If you press these both buttons now for the same time, you will have a screenshot. One more time, the power button and the volume down button for the same time, and you will have a screenshot. After you see here the preview, you can share it directly or edit it maybe, so you can draw something inside, or you can also here cut it from the screen if you just want to have this part here maybe. And yeah, after you're ready with it, you just go here on that symbol to save it directly to the gallery. Okay, and there's a second way to take a screenshot by scroll down here, and then you have here the capture plus symbol. You can take a screenshot here as well. And what is the different here? You can make a GIF. So if you want to record a little video, then it is possible. And the rest is the same by editing something to cut something here and so on and so on. Same way, go to the gallery, and then that's it. And what is very nice at the Capture Plus feature, that you can make a scroll shot. So if you are on a website and you want to have a screenshot of the whole website, not just of this picture here, so you want to have the whole website, then you can make a screenshot as a scroll shot. So just go here on the Capture Plus symbol again, and then go here on Extended, and then you will go down until the end of the website, or otherwise you could also interrupt this scroll shot by tapping on the screen, and then you will stop it at that place. So how to navigate later in the scroll shot? So because if you're doing like this, you draw, but you can use two fingers, and then you can scroll down and up like this. You can also later, if you want to save it to the gallery, just as usual here, go to the gallery and it's part of the gallery. And after, you can find, of course, your screenshots at the gallery here, and it has its own category named screenshots. So it's an own album, and the same with the Capture Plus. We have it here if we draw something inside and so on, an own folder for, and here's our scroll shot. And as you can see, it works very well. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope I could help you with it. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. It would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos. If you're interested in them, just subscribe me. It would be a pleasure to see you again. And yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.